ગુડ મોર્નિંગ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ ફર્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં મેં ક્વેશ્ચન 5 કરાવ્યો હતો ને 5 કરાવવામાં મારી મિસ્ટેક થઈ ગઈ છે એમાં મેં બધા એલિમેન્ટ્સની પ્રોબેબિલિટી ઇક્વલ લઈ લીધી બટ ઇક્વલ નહીં થાય એટલે એમાં મિસ્ટેક છે આન્સરમાં મિસ્ટેક છે મીન્સ મેથડ જ મારી ખોટી હતી એ ક્વેશ્ચન પાછો કરાવું છું ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 5 a coin is tossed if it shows head toss it again but if it shows tail then throw a die એટલે આ ટાઈપનો આપણે ડાયાગ્રામ જ્યારે બનાવ્યો હતો it as it is રહેશે પણ જે સેમ્પલ સ્પેસ બનશે here your sample space is HH HT T1 T2 T3 T4 T5 T6 બાય મિસ્ટેક મેં બધા એલિમેન્ટની પ્રોબેબિલિટી ઇક્વલ લઈ લીધી બટ બધા એલિમેન્ટ્સની પ્રોબેબિલિટી ઇક્વલ નહીં આવે શું કામ નહીં આવે જો કે ફર્સ્ટ ટાઈમ એક્સપેરિમેન્ટ કરશું પ્રોબેબિલિટી ઓફ H is 1/2 પ્રોબેબિલિટી ઓફ T is also 1/2 ઓકે હવે અહીંયા આ H ની પ્રોબેબિલિટી 1/2 અહીંયા T ની પ્રોબેબિલિટી 1/2 for this experiment same for this whole experiment when we throw a dice probability of each element is 1/6 1/6 1/6 1/6 okay means બધાની probability 1/6 1/6 1/6 થશે 3 ની 4 ની 5 ની 6 ની 1 ની ને 2 ની so now probability of H will be 1/2 into 1/2 that is 1/4 probability of HT is also 1/4 probability of T1 means 1/2 into 1/6 આ બેનું મારે મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન કરવું પડે T1 માટે so that is 1/12 here also 1/12 1/12 1/12 1/12 and 1/12 so that are the probability of each elements HH HT probability 1/4 1/4 and probability of this all six that is 1/12 1/12 1/12 1/12 1/12 summation of all these element probability of summation of all this event will be definitely 1 okay now here two events are A and B which event already occurred that at least there is at least one pair and A is dice was number greater than 4 okay so your elements in A is T5 and T6 elements in B is TT T1 T2 T3 T4 sorry not TT that is HT T4 T5 T6 okay and A intersection B is T5 T6 because A is a subset of B now what is the probability of A intersection B so that is T5 and T6 we have to add these two so 1/12 plus 1/12 that is 2/12 means 1/6 that is the probability of an intersection B and what is probability of B HT is 1/4 T1 T2 T3 T4 T5 T6 bધાની probability 1/12 1/12 1/12 means 6 into 1/12 so that is 1/4 plus 1 half that will be equal to 3/4 now we have to find probability of A/B that is A intersection B upon B of B so probability of A intersection B is 1/6 and that is B/4 so answer is 2/9 I think in that question જ્યારે મેં ત્યારે ક્વેશ્ચન કર્યો તો ત્યારે આન્સર 2/7 આવ્યો હતો that is wrong મેથડ તો મારી wrong હતી કારણ કે અમે બધાની પ્રોબેબિલિટી ઇક્વલ લીધી હતી બધાની પ્રોબેબિલિટી ઇક્વલ નહીં આવે આ બેની 1/4 આવશે અને આ છની 1/12 આવશે so that's the mistake ચેન્જ કરી લેજો બરાબર આ રીતે કેલ્ક્યુલેશન આવશે એ રીતેની okay now our next topic is independent events independent events definition of independent event is if probability of A into probability of B is equal to probability of A intersection B then we called A and B are the independent events that is the definition of independent events actually independent events એટલે શું તો કે જે બે ઇવેન્ટ થાય છે એને એકબીજા સાથે કોઈ લેવા દેવા નથી independent means independent of each other બરાબર means હું P of A find કરું કે P of A slash B find કરું કે B ઇવેન્ટ થઈ ગયા પછી એની પ્રોબેબિલિટી કે ખાલી એની પ્રોબેબિલિટી બે સેમ રહે છે મીન્સ B ઇવેન્ટ થાય કે નહીં એની સાથે A ઇવેન્ટની પ્રોબેબિલિટીને કોઈ લેવા દેવા નથી it is independent of it આ બે સેમ હોય then we can say that events are independent હવે a/b ની જગ્યાએ તમે p of a સબસ્ટિટ્યુટ કરો કે ફોર્મ્યુલા ઓફ a/b is equals to p of a intersection b upon p of b હવે a/b is equals to p of a into p of b સામે આવે તો so p of a intersection so that is the definition of independent event and what is meaning of independent કે બે ઇવેન્ટ ની પ્રોબેબિલિટી ને એકબીજા સાથે કઈ લેવા દેવા નથી that are independent to each other okay so that is called independent events now if independent events are then we can write a is equals to a slash b and b is equals to b slash a હમણાં મેં તમને જે એક્સપ્લેનેશન આપ્યું એ રીતે okay so that is the definition of independent events and for three events for a b and c if p of a intersection b is equals to p of a into p of b b intersection c is equals to b into c c intersection a is equals to c into a and a intersection b intersection c is equals to p of a into p of b into p of c જો આચારે ચાર ઇવેન્ટ આચારે ચાર રિલેશન સેટિસ્ફાઈ થતા હોય then it is called mutually independent but only આ ત્રણ જ રિલેશન સેટિસ્ફાઈ થતા હોય means a intersection b is equals to a into b b intersection b into c c intersection a c into a but a intersection b intersection c is not equal to a into b into c આ લાસ્ટ રિલેશન સેટિસ્ફાઈ ન થતું હોય ખાલી આ ત્રણ જ થતા હોય then it is called pairwise dependent sorry pairwise independent एक्चुअली नवा सिलेबस અત્યારનો જે આપણે સીબીએસઈ સિલેબસ છે એમાં ખાલી મ્યુચ્યુઅલી ઇન્ડિપેન્ડન્ટ છે પણ ઓલ્ડ સિલેબસ ની તમે ટેક્સ્ટ બુક જોશો ને ત્યારે બે ડેફિનેશન આપી હતી પેરવાઇઝ ઇન્ડિપેન્ડન્ટ એઝ વેલ એઝ મ્યુચ્યુઅલી ઇન્ડિપેન્ડન્ટ આ નવી ટેક્સ્ટ બુકમાં કે સમ નથી ઓલ્ડ ટેક્સ્ટ બુકમાં એક સમ હતો કે પ્રૂવ કરવાનું કે એબીસી પ્રૂવ ધેટ એબીસી આર પેરવાઇઝ ઇન્ડિપેન્ડન્ટ બટ નોટ મ્યુચ્યુઅલી ઇન્ડિપેન્ડન્ટ એટલે આપણી એક સમ આ એક્સ્ટ્રા કરાવી દઈશ તમને કે જેનાથી આ બે વચ્ચેનો મ્યુચ્યુઅલી ઇન્ડિપેન્ડન્ટ એન્ડ પેરવાઇઝ ઇન્ડિપેન્ડન્ટ વચ્ચેનો ડિફરન્સ ખ્યાલ આવે so independent events are very easy તમારે એક જ ધ્યાન રાખવાનું કે a intersection b is equals to if p of a into p of b then it is called independent events logically સમજવા જાવ તો બે ઇવેન્ટ ને એકબીજા સાથે કોઈ લેવા દેવા નથી જેમ કે આપણે લાસ્ટ ટાઈમ કાર્ડ્સ વાળો સમ કર્યો હતો તો એમાં શું કર્યું હતું કે જે કાર્ડ સિલેક્ટ થાય એને રિપ્લેસ નહોતું કરવાનું વિધાઉટ રિપ્લેસમેન્ટ હતું મીન્સ જે કાર્ડ સિલેક્ટ થઈને આપણે પાછું મૂકવાનું નહોતું સો ધેટ ઇઝ ડિપેન્ડન્ટ ઇવેન્ટ બટ હું તમને એમ કહું કે એક કાર્ડ સિલેક્ટ કરવાનું એ જે હોય નોટ કરી એને પાછું તમે 52 કાર્ડ ડેકમાં તમે પાછું એમાં રાખી દો મીન્સ વિથ રિપ્લેસમેન્ટ એમાં મૂકી દો પાછું તો પેલું કાર્ડ કયું સિલેક્ટ થયું છે એની સાથે બીજા કાર્ડની પ્રોબેબિલિટીને કોઈ લેવા દેવા નથી કારણ કે એ કાર્ડ આપણે પાછું મૂકી દીધું સો જ્યારે વિથ રિપ્લેસમેન્ટ ટાઈપના ક્વેશ્ચન આવશે ને ત્યારે ઇન્ડિપેન્ડન્ટ ઇવેન્ટ હશે વિધાઉટ રિપ્લેસમેન્ટ ટાઈપના ક્વેશ્ચન આવશે ને ત્યારે ડિપેન્ડન્ટ ઇવેન્ટ હશે ડિપેન્ડન્ટ ઇવેન્ટ મીન્સ which events are not independent તો ત્યારે p of a intersection b is equals to a into b ની પણ લાસ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે કહ્યું હતું કે p of a intersection b is equals to a into b slash a or b into a slash b that we can use when events are dependent and when events are independent we will use this a intersection b is equals to a into b clear chalo question number 24 question number 24 two unbiased coins are thrown once unbiased coins means probability of head and tail are same and we have to throw it two times so my sample space will be HH, HT, TH and TT. Okay, A, B and C be the events given as follow. A, first coin shows head. First coin shows head. Direct no elements એટલે લખો first માં head હોવો જોઈએ second માં કોઈ પણ હોય means in event A there are two elements HH and HT. Event B, both coins shows same figure means getting a doublet means either both time head or both time tail. So event B is HH and TT. Event C, there is at least one tail. There is at least one tail. So that is HT, TH, and TT. Now, verify that dependency of A and B as well as A and C. We have to verify either A and B are independent or not, same as A and C are independent or not. So here, P of A is 2 by 4, means 1 by 2. Same, P of B also 2 by 4, means 1 by 2. And P of C is 3 by 4. Okay, we have to check dependency of A and B and A and C. So first I will verify, I will find the probability of A intersection B. So A intersection B, common elements are H, H. So P of A intersection B is 1 by 4. A intersection C, intersection of A and C is HT only. So P of A intersection C is 1 by 4. Now, first question for A and B. Second question we have to verify for A and C. So, P of A into P of B is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, which is 1 by 4. So, it is equals to P of A intersection B, 1 by 4. Means A and B are independent events. Last time of sentence the conflict. A and B are independent events. For A and C, we have to find multiplication of P of A into P of C. So P of A is 1 by 2, P of C is 3 by 4, so that is 3 by 8, which is not equal to P of A intersection C, which is not equal to P of A intersection C, means A and C are not dependent. Not independent. A and C are dependent, and A and B are independent. Two sentence again. Next question, question number 25. If E and F are independent events, in the question it is given E and F are independent events. So we can write that P of E intersection F is equals to P of E into P of F. Okay, now first thing we have to prove is E and F dash are independent. E and F dash are independent. Means we have to prove that E intersection F dash is equals to P of E into P of F dash. Intersection ની probability multiplication જેટલી હોય means independent event. આપણે આ result prove કરવાનું છે. So we start with the LHS P of E intersection F dash. Now by using Venn diagram, formula direct આવડતી હોય well and good, ન આવડતી હોય તો Venn diagram ઉપરથી આપણે find કરી લેશું. E intersection F dash means we have to take intersection of E and F dash. So that is my E. And F dash means region, એવો region કે જેમાં F ના આવે. So intersection will be this part. Okay. આ પાર્ટ મીન્સ P of E નો પાર્ટ છે, બટ આખો P of E નથી, આખો E નથી, એમાંથી E intersection F એટલો પાર્ટ મારે સબટ્રેક્ટ કરવાનો છે. So E intersection F dash I can write P of E minus P of E intersection F. P of E minus P of E intersection F. Now at the place of E intersection F you can write P of E into P of F, which is given into the question. E and F are independent events. So that is the result which is given. So from 1 we can write E intersection F is equals to E into F. Now P of E common into the bracket 1 minus P of F. So P of E into 1 minus P of F, that is F dash complement event. So age result જે આપણે prove કરવાનો હતો. So we can write. So E and F dash are independent. E and F dash are independent. Second result, E dash and F are independent. Similarly, you can prove. So it is in homework. Okay. Third result, we have to prove E dash and F dash are independent. Means you have to prove E dash intersection F dash is equals to P of E dash into P of F dash. E dash and F dash are independent. Means we have to prove this result. So we start with the LHS. P of E dash intersection F dash. E dash intersection F dash, we can write E union F whole dash. In the second chapter you have studied De Morgan's law. The De Morgan's law over the E dash intersection F dash is equals to E union F whole dash is equals to 1 minus P of E union F, complementary unit of E union F. So 1 minus P of E union F. Formula for E union F is P of E plus F minus E intersection. So that is 1 minus P of E minus P of F minus minus plus. And at the place of E intersection F, I can write P of E into P of F. So that is equals to 1 minus P of E. Minus P of F common law into the bracket. I can write 1 minus P of E. 1 minus P of E. So from both the bracket, from both the terms, 1 minus P of E is common. So second term here 1, and P of F is remaining. So 1 minus P of E is P of E dash. 1 minus P of F, P of F dash. So E dash intersection F dash is equals to E dash into F dash. So we can say that E dash and F dash are independent. E dash and F dash are independent. Here, question number 25 homework માં બહુ easy છે. Sorry, 25 બે ટાઈમ આપ્યો છે. Okay, so 25 બીજો જે 25 છે પેલો 25 એ કર્યો પ્રિન્ટિંગ મિસ્ટેક છે. બીજો જે 25 છે એ હોમવર્ક માં ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 26. આ 25A નામ આપી દે. 25A એનો ફર્સ્ટ અને 25B. Okay, question 26. A box of orange is inspected by examining 3 randomly selected oranges drawn without replacement. Here we have to examine without replacement. If all 3 oranges are good, the box is approved for sale, else it is rejected. Find the probability that a box containing 12 good and 3 bad oranges are approved for sale. Here in box we have 12 good oranges and 3 bad oranges. Means total 15 oranges are there. હવે approved for sale ક્યારે થાય કે જો 3 ઓરેન્જ સારા હોય. If 3 oranges are good, 3 ઓરેન્જ ની ક્વોલિટી ગુડ છે, then we can approved for sale. બરાબર? Okay, approved for sale. Selected all 3 oranges are good. Clear? Means first orange good હોવો જોઈએ, second good હોવો જોઈએ અને third good હોવો જોઈએ. A, B and C. First orange is good. B is second orange is good. And C is third orange is good. તો અપ્રૂવ ક્યારે થશે? 3 ઓરેન્જ ની ક્વોલિટી સારી હશે ત્યારે. Means we have to find A intersection B intersection C. Here it is dependent event. કારણ કે જે ઓરેન્જ મેં પહેલા સિલેક્ટ કર્યું છે એને પાછું મારે બોક્સમાં મૂકવાનું નથી, વિધાઉટ રિપ્લેસમેન્ટ છે. So dependent event. So formula for this is P of A into P of B slash A into P of C slash A intersection B. So probability of A, first orange તમે select કરો, any quality good હોય, quality of first orange is good, that probability is 12 by 50. હવે એક orange side માં મૂકી દીધું. So now in mock and now in box I have 11 good oranges and 3 bad oranges. So probability of B slash A means પેલું orange side માં મૂકી દીધા પછી જે box વધ્યું એમાંથી પાછું good orange આવે, સારું orange આવે એની probability, so that is 11 by 40. પાછું એક સારું આવી ગયું. So now in box there are 10 good oranges and 3 bad oranges. So now probability that good orange will be selected is 10 by 30. 10 by 30. So answer is 5 into 2, 5 into 3, 3 into 4 is 12, 2 2s are 4, 7 2s are 14. So 11 into 2 22, 22 into 2 is 44, divided by 13 7s are 91. एक आ मेथड છે ડાયરેક્ટલી થઈ શકે. We have to select 3 orange without replacement, or I can say that we select 3 orange simultaneously, both the things are same. કે 3 orange એક સાથે હું select કરું કે without replacement કરું, બેનો meaning same જ થાય. તો ત્રણેય orange સારા હોય એની probability શું થાય? Okay, total oranges, good oranges are 12, એમાંથી 3 select થાય. Possible selection of 3 good oranges from the 12 good oranges are 12C3, and total selection will be, so total oranges are 15, so total selection will be 15C3. So 12C3 means 12, 11, 10 upon 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 15C3 means 15 into 14 into 13 upon 3 into 2 into 1. So that are the same, 12, 11, 12 upon 15, 14, 13. So answer will be remain same, 44 upon 91. ओके आ मेथड થી કરશો કે આ મેથડ થી કરશો, બે મેથડ એક્ઝામ માં ચાલશે. નેક્સ્ટ 27 is in homework, 28 27 is in homework. Question number 28. A die marked 1 2 3 in red and 4 5 6 in green is tossed. Let A be the event, number is even, B be the event, the number is red. So are events A and B independent or not? In die 1 2 3 is marked with red color and 4 5 6 is marked with green color. Okay, event A and B is given. A is the number is even. Event A number is even. Event B number is red. Number is in red color. Okay, so in A there are 3 elements, 2 4 and 6, even 2 4 and 6. In B number is red, means there are 3 elements, that is 1 2 and 3. A intersection B, intersection of both of these is 2, being intersection 2000. Now P of A, probability of A is 3 by 6, so that is 1 by 2. Same probability of B is also 3 by 6, this is 1 by 2, and probability of A intersection B is 1 by 6. 1 by 6. Now P of A into P of B is equals to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, which is equals to 1 by 4, which is not equal to P of A intersection B. So last time you have to write the sentence A and B are not independent. A and B events are not independent events. Okay, now question number 29. A is given, A union B is given. We have to find P of B if A and B are independent, and second is A and B are mutually exclusive. A and B are mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive means P of A intersection B is 0. 11th standard માં આવ્યું હતું, first lecture માં કરાવ્યું હતું mutually exclusive event and mutually exhaustive events. Okay, so question number 29 homework માં થઈ જશે. Question number 29. First માં A and B are independent events, means you have to write A intersection B is equals to A into B. P of A union B is given, P of A is given. You have to use this formula. A union B is equals to A plus B minus A intersection B. For first question, here you have to write A into B. And for the second question, you have to write 0 because A and B are mutually exclusive and A union B and A are given. So you will get the P of B. Okay, so that is in homework. Question number 30. It is also in homework. A and B are independent events, means you have to write A intersection B is equals to A into B. So 31 થઈ જશે. Question number 30. Next, 31. A and B are the events such that P of A is 1 by 4. P of A is 1 by 4. P of B is 1 half. And P of C, sorry, A intersection B is 1 by 8. Three things are given: A, B, and A intersection B. So you have to find node A and node B. P of node A and node B means node A means complement of A. We can write A dash, and means intersection, or means union, and means intersection. Node B again complement of B, so A dash intersection B dash. Using De Morgan's law, I can write A union B whole dash. A union B whole dash means 1 minus P of A union B. આખી ઇવેન્ટ ની કોમ્પ્લિમેન્ટ ઇવેન્ટ હોય ત્યારે જ 1 માઈનસ લખી શકાય. P of A intersection, sorry, A dash intersection B dash is not equal to P of 1 minus P of A intersection B. We cannot write that. બરાબર, એ ક્યારે લખી શકાય જ્યારે આખા બ્રેકેટ ની કોમ્પ્લિમેન્ટ ઇવેન્ટ હોય, at that time 1 minus P of A union B. So 1 minus A union B is A plus B minus A intersection B. So that is 1 minus P of A is 1 by 4, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 8. So 1 minus LCM is 8, 2 plus 4 6, 6 minus 1 5 by 8. So answer is 3 by 8. Clear? So that is the question number 31. Question number 32. P of A is 1 half, P of B is 7 by 12, P of not A or not B is 1 by 4. Find the whether A and B are independent events or not. So that is in homework. I type the question here. Not A or not B means given is A dash union B dash, means it is equals to A intersection B whole dash. So that is 1 minus P of A intersection B. So now you can solve easily. Question number 34. વચ્ચે 33 મિસિંગ છે, પ્રિન્ટિંગ મિસ્ટેક છે. 32 પછી ડાયરેક્ટ 34 આવી ગયો છે. So question number 34. If A and B are independent events, so that P of A is 0.3, P of B is 0.6. A is 0.3, B is 0.6. And A and B are independent events, so we can write A intersection B is equals to P of A into P of B, because A and B are independent events. So A intersection B is equals to, I can write 0.3 into 0.6, so that is 0.80. And B are independent events. Now first you have to find P of A and B. A and B means that is A intersection B, which we have already found, 0.80. Second, A and not B. P of A and not B means A intersection B dash. By using Venn diagram, formula for that is P of A minus P of A intersection B. હમણાં જ કઈ હતી, ડાયરેક્ટલી યાદ હોય તો ડાયરેક્ટલી લખવાનું. By using Venn diagram, you can find easily P of A minus P of A intersection B. A is 0.3, A intersection B is 0.18. So answer is 0.12. Third, A over B. A over B means A union B. Formula for A union B is A plus B minus A intersection B. So P of A is 0.3, 0.6 minus 0.18. So 0.9 minus 0.18, 0.72. Last, neither A nor B. Neither A nor B. Okay, so that is equals to P of A dash intersection B dash. Neither A nor B means A પણ ન હોવો જોઈએ B પણ ન હોવો જોઈએ, sorry not B dash, neither A nor B એનો મીનિંગ થશે A dash intersection B dash. આ મિસ્ટેક થાય by mistake exam માં ઉતાવળમાં કે પ્રેશરમાં neither nor માં by mistake આ union લખાઈ જાય, but when it is given neither A nor B means A પણ ન થાય અને B પણ ન થાય, so A dash intersection B dash. So A dash intersection B dash, by using De Morgan's law we can write A union B whole dash, so that is equals to 1 minus P of A union B. So that is equals to 1 minus A union B is 0.72. So answer is 0.28. Like question માં ધ્યાન રાખજો 4 neither A nor B આમાં મિસ્ટેક થવાનો ચાન્સ છે, બાકી બધા ક્વેશ્ચન તો ઈઝી હતા. Okay, so that's it for today's lecture. Next lecture we will start with the question number 35. Thank you.